Hello to our lovely viewers, this is Isha Vandari and you are watching Vocal Investors. All over the world, the transitory inflation narrative is slow and steadily losing steam. In the month of October, the US economy was recorded inflation at 6.2%, which is the highest ever inflation rate in the past 30 years. The growth rate measured of energy and food prices were at 30% and 5.3% respectively. If we talk about core inflation, which means inflation not including food and fuel, it was seen at 4.5% during the same month, that is October. The scenario we are considering is not just of the US but other economies as well, whether they be developed or developing. Everyone is facing the pain from inflation. Now the question arises, why is this happening? What are the factors which are pushing the inflation rate upwards? The first reason is the reopening of economies and increasing demands which are causing supply bottleneck inflation. This situation takes place when supply falls drastically and demand remains at the same level, creating excess demand in the economy as the supply cannot be matched, resulting in price rises. This mismatch of demand supply is taking the prices up. This is the one reason. Now, the second question arises, why the developed economies are facing inflation. So, developed economies like the US are facing wage push inflation. Now, what is it? Which means that the price rise is caused by the rise in the amount that workers earn, which eventually increases the cost of producing goods. The fiscal stimulus measures and unemployment allowances that are being provided by the federal government are restraining workers from returning to the job market. Shortage of labor is forcing companies to increase wages in a manner to attract workers. This increased labor costs gets translated to the higher price of final goods and services. In a situation like this, what we can expect is that central banks focus on supporting and controlling the inflation rate as issue they are dealing with now from those in the last year, when the focus was only on how to revive and aid economic recovery. Before leaving, a gentle reminder, we are a matchmaker for businesses or investors, either establishing or already established. So if you require capital, or if you know someone who requires capital, or if you are looking for an investment opportunity yourself, please click the link in the description box below and fill up the form. Our team will contact you soon. That's all for the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.